Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, the best of the best in the real at the real. A couple days ago, Shenseea had posted that she will have to cancel 2 of her shows in the UK due to being sick, and here's a video that she posted on Instagram.
I haven't been able to sing a song properly, to record anything. On my shows, you can hear my voice leaving on the stage in the middle of my performances, in the middle of my sets. So I went to the doctor and everything, and apparently I'm suffering from a mild vocal cord trauma. Yeah, some serious shit I go on. So I'm now on medication, and he put me on rest for 2 weeks. He's saying that it's the best thing for me right now, because if I don't stop singing ASAP, then I'm gonna develop something called nodules or something like that artists normally get, which I would have to go do surgery. And London and Birmingham, unfortunately, is one of them, because they're in this period at the moment. I can go on and work over and over 24/7, but my voice at the moment just will not.
And in her comment section, there has been an abundance of love and support from her fellow dancehall colleagues as well as fans. Although Shenseea had cancelled the shows, her presence was definitely there with the help of the promoters of that party. And here's a post that Shenseea put up on Instagram.
Jesus Christ! Everybody, this is Caribbean rock! Sing! Make Shenseea hear you! Make Shenseea hear you! Yeah!
A couple days ago, Popcaan had put up a post explaining the importance of why dancehall artists need to appeal to a larger audience. He posted this video with this caption. A few weeks ago, Gwaan and Tifa were spotted in the studio, and of course they definitely came out with a new song called No Better Than You, and here's a sneak peek of that.
Came on, me need ya. Tifa, you are my word. Girl, no one breathe ya. Yeah, bring a pretty boy, a girl.
New music also dropped from Shenseea and Ishana called Can't Leave, and here's a sneak peek of that.
Just can't leave, I'm gonna work. Can't leave, I'm gonna work. And just can't leave, I'm gonna work. Leave, I'm gonna work. Can't leave, I'm gonna work. You see that, baby, can't leave, I'm gonna work.
We all know Marvin the Beast is known for his very creative dances. Here's a clip of a new dance with a similar song that you may have heard of before. Now, we're not sure if Marvin is the creator of the dance, but we can definitely say this dance is very unique. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.